Welcome for this mathematics lesson. We are going to study matrices and transformations. It is very important to notice that matrices can be used to represent certain transformations. In that, when a matrix of order 2 by 2 is multiplied with the column vectors of the coordinates of a given object, they give us the column vectors of its image. So we can multiply a matrix of order 2 by 2 by the column vectors of the coordinates of a given object, such that we get the column vectors of the coordinates of its image under a given transformation. For example, you can be told to find the image of triangle. Find the image of triangle. Find the image of triangle. Find the image of triangle ABC, triangle ABC, such that coordinate A, coordinates A is 1, 2, B 3, 2, and C 3, 5, under a transformation. Under a transformation, whose matrix is negative 1, 0, 0, 1. So we have a matrix of transformation, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, which maps a certain triangle ABC into another one. Therefore, we are saying when we take a matrix and we multiply with the column vectors of the object, we should get the column vectors of the image, such that when we take negative 1, 0, 0, 1, and multiply with 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, we should get A prime, B prime, C prime, such that when this row is multiplied by this column, we get the first element here. So negative 1 by 1, 0 by 2, we get negative 1. Negative 1 by 3, 0 by 2, that gives us negative 3. Negative 1 by 3, 0 by 5, negative 3, like that. Then on the other side, we can multiply 0 by 2, then 0 by 1, and 1 by 2. This gives us 2. 0 by 3 and 1 by 2, that one gives us 2. 0 by 3 and 1 by 5, this one gives us 5. Therefore, the coordinates A prime will be negative 1, 2. B prime will be negative 3, 2. And C prime will be negative 3, 5. So that is the image of this triangle. What if you are added a part B of the question, which says describe the matrix, or describe the transformation represented by the matrix, negative 1, 0, 0, 1. This is a matrix which represents a certain transformation, and we can identify the transformation and we describe it fully. So for us to identify a transformation, we can first of all plot both image and object on the same Cartesian plane. For instance, here we can have a Cartesian plane. Then we plot the coordinates of both the image and the object. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, negative 4, negative 5. On the other side, we can have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So we are plotting 1, 2, 1, 2. This is point A. We are also plotting 3, 2, 3, 2. This is B. And we are also plotting 3, 5, 3, 5. This is C. Therefore, the object is this triangle. The object is this triangle. So that is the triangle. Its image shall be negative 1, 2, negative 1, 2. This is our A prime. Negative 3, 2, negative 3, 2. B prime, and negative 3, 5, C prime, such that now the image after that given transformation, the image will be on this other side. So this transformation, which has mapped ABC into ABC prime, is a reflection along line x equals to 0, which is also called the y-axis. Therefore, trying to describe this transformation, then we will say it is a reflection. It is a reflection along the y-axis. A reflection along the y-axis, the one which is mapping A to A, B to B prime, C to C prime. Because when we connect C to C and we try to bisect that line connecting them, we will pass through the mirror line, which is the y-axis. Therefore, from this we can observe that a matrix can be used to represent a given transformation. And for instance, we have a matrix negative 1, 0, 0, 1, representing a reflection along y-axis. So thank you for following. Subscribe to this channel and share the link.